they said sometimes you can have up to 20 or 30 pounds of fecal matter just clogged into your body. Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderful and amazing people? I am going to go ahead and get the church announcements out of the way. Y'all know how I do. If you just so happen to be new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell until those little brackets come around it. That way you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. If you are someone out there and you are looking for legitimate work-at-home jobs, please consider coming over and joining the Facebook group that I just created on yesterday. It has been awesome and amazing. It is like a forum where we come over and we discuss anything work at home related. We have people over there that are answering questions, discussions, giving people tips and tricks on getting hired with certain companies. And I, of course, share some random legitimate work at home jobs over there as well. I update my blog like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. So what I have been doing is I give the people in the group first dibs of the work at home jobs, because sometimes the jobs are snatched up like that. And also there are times throughout the day, maybe 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I might find a job that I'm not going to go back and update my blog at 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So what I'll do is I'll post the job in the group. Okay. So if you don't have Facebook, that is perfectly fine. You can just follow the blog. That link is the exact same. It is www.wahjobqueen.com. Okay. All of that information will be down in the description box down below. Y'all come over to Facebook and join the group, or you can just continue to follow the blog. Now that all of that is out of the way, I'm going to have to get up close and personal with my bam family. Look, Thanksgiving is coming up. I will be the first person to tell y'all your girl is going to eat for Thanksgiving, okay? My mama makes the best. I don't care what you say, okay? My mama makes the absolute best macaroni and cheese on this side of creation. I'm just going to tell you that right here, right now. So your girl is going to eat for Thanksgiving, okay? But I will be 100% honest with y'all. I have been on a crusade to help people reach financial freedom. I've been helping them grow their businesses. I've been growing my own business. I have been updating my blog. I have been doing a lot of different things. And because I am so busy and so dived deep into that, I have not been doing the things that I need to do as far as taking care of my health. Now, I take my black seed oil every single day. Okay, I don't care if I'm on my deathbed. If I can just say, hand me my black seed oil, I'm going to take some of my black seed oil and my supplements, my blood builders, my vitamin D, my turmeric. I take those things like those are my morning rituals no matter what. However, I need to lose family. I need to lose some weight. Like, I'm very transparent. I don't mind getting on here talking about my business. I know there are other people out there that are going through the exact same things that I'm going through. So I know that I'm not by myself. All right. But Thanksgiving and Christmas is coming up, and I ain't gonna tell nobody no lies, all right? Baby, I'm going to eat, okay? I'm going to eat. But I need to do something up until Thanksgiving Day, because I'm gonna eat for Thanksgiving, I'm not gonna lie. But I need to get myself back to where I need to be mentally so that I can get back to where I need to be physically, okay? Because we all know that you can be motivated, but until you change this up here, you know, until you just really become disciplined, you can lose all of the weight in the world. But until you discipline your mind to continue on that path, because after you lose some weight, the real journey starts after you get where you want to be in your weight loss journey, because you're going to have to maintain that weight. And anybody out there who's ever lost weight before, you can vouch for the fact that it is not easy keeping weight off, okay? Especially when you feel like you have a busy life, when you feel like you have a lot going on. It is not easy. So what I am going to be doing is getting back to my healthy self. So yes, I have been doing keto, but of course I fell off on keto. And the one thing that I love about keto is that keto works. I don't care what anybody says, keto works. However, keto is one of those things, I can't speak for you, but for me, I can look at a donut, look at it, and I'm going to gain 30 pounds, okay? I'm not even exaggerating. I can look at a donut. when I'm on keto and gain 30 pounds. So keto is one of those things for me. It really works when I'm tracking everything and when I am staying strict to the keto regimen. I have to strictly be under 20 grams of carbs no matter what. I have to stick to a certain amount of calories. So in turn, that comes with planning out your menus, which is fine. You can plan out your menus and things like that on just say Sunday and meal prep for the rest of the week. That way you don't have to worry about what am I going to eat today. However, it's just, sometimes you might want a potato chip. Okay, just a potato chip or a handful of potato chips. For me, anytime I eat anything carby, I don't care if it's just a little bit, I'm going to gain weight. Yes, it might be water weight, but for me, it just completely knocks me out of ketosis if I just look at a donut. So what I think I'm going to do is, because the thing that worked for me 150,000%. Does keto work? Yes. Did keto work for me? Yes. But I think keto is a little bit harder for me to stick to. What I think I'm going to be doing from tomorrow up until maybe 2 days before Thanksgiving, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a combination of the baking soda, lemon juice concoction, and I am also going to incorporate my smoothies again. I lost so much weight with JJ Smith's green smoothie cleanse. If you don't know about JJ Smith's green smoothie cleanse, I don't know why you don't, okay? It is the bomb diggity. Go back to some of my previous weight loss videos when I was really, really heavy into the weight loss and things. I swore by it. The first time I did that cleanse, I think I lost 17 pounds if I remember correctly. But the thing that I loved about the cleanse is that, just say for instance, one weekend or something, or just one day, you wanted to have a cheat day. You will not mess yourself up. Like, just say for instance, I wanted to for Thanksgiving eat. Of course, I'm not going to be able to go in there and just completely pig out and have 14 plates of dressing. But if I decided that I wanted to have a cheat day for Thanksgiving and jump right back into my smoothies, I'm going to be right back on track. I felt so amazing when I was doing the green smoothies. Really, really amazing. So what I'm going to be doing is in the mornings, I am going to incorporate, of course, intermittent fasting. I always do intermittent fasting. I love intermittent fasting. However, even if you're doing intermittent fasting, when you're, just eating regular, you're going to have to eat the right foods in order for the stuff to really, really work. But intermittent fasting is amazing. I follow the 16-8 method. I have an eating window of 8 hours, which means I have to consume all of my calories within an 8-hour window. And I basically fast for 16 hours. So my eating window is always from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. I eat from 10 till 6. I don't eat before 10, and I don't eat anything after 6. That is exactly what I do. So what I'm going to be doing every single morning, I know I told y'all, look, this stuff is dangerous, okay? It is a dangerous, but it's a good danger. A really, really good danger. I am going to be doing the baking soda lemon juice concoction every single morning because I already know I've been bad, okay? I have not been doing the things that I need to do, so I know my body is full of waste. I know that it is. I don't mean to sound graphic, but I'm being transparent, and I'm talking to y'all like y'all my good girlfriends and good guy friends, okay? I know because I've been abusing my body and putting bad things into it. I know that it is full of toxic waste. So instead of me using the MAG 07, which JJ Smith recommends, or doing the saltwater flushes, which is really, really disgusting, this doesn't taste delicious. Don't get me wrong. However, I think this tastes much better than the saltwater flush. So I'm going to be using this in the morning before I start drinking my green smoothies. I'm going to do the baking soda and lemon juice concoction. I will put the ingredients in the description. It's not hard. It's baking soda, fresh lemon juice, and water mixed together. And you take it to the head, and you're going to be on the toilet, okay, for, I wouldn't suggest this for anybody who work outside of their house, or if you know you got somewhere to go. Do this maybe in the afternoon. It's best to do it early in the morning before you eat anything. But if you got to go to work, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. It's probably not the best thing for you to be doing, okay? Because on your way to work, in your car, it's a good possibility you probably gonna use the bathroom on yourself. It is brutal. I will be honest, but it works, okay? I saw this young lady's video here on YouTube a couple of weeks back, about a month or so back, and I made a video about it. Family, That I just saw somebody in the comments said it started to work after like 10 minutes. I was sold. So I in turn decided to try it out for myself. Baby, okay, I'm just gonna say that particular day, that probably wasn't the best day for me to do it. I didn't necessarily have nowhere to go, but it was brutal. And everybody kept asking me, give me updates. I did it twice. I couldn't take it no more. Okay, I couldn't. Well, I'm not gonna say I couldn't take it no more, but it works. Okay, so when they say you can lose up to 3 pounds a day, it ain't lying, because a lot of us have a lot of built up fecal matter in our bodies, and you can lose any with family. Sometimes I looked at a study somebody did. They said sometimes you can have up to 20 or 30 pounds of fecal matter just clogged into your body. So just think about that for a second. 20 or 30 pounds of fecal matter just clogged into your body. Just imagine if you got rid of that 20, 30 pounds of pure fecal matter, and then you get to the point where you start losing, excess fat and all this other stuff. Baby, I can only imagine, honey, all this bad stuff that I've been doing. So that's what I'm going to do. I just wanted to let you guys know. I need some accountability partners. Okay, I know I say this, fam. I'm like for real, because I felt so amazing. One thing that I can say for me, when it came to losing weight, I enjoyed how I felt. Yes, I enjoyed how I looked, family. My stomach was flat, okay? My stomach was flat. I was getting more people that was hitting on me. Not that that matters or anything. I don't need clarification from nobody else. I don't need anybody else to make me feel good. However, it did feel good. People being like, girl, you look good, honey. I said, girl, how much weight have you lost? Knowing that other people see your hard work really, really kept me really, really motivated. So I have to get back on it. Yes, I'm going to eat for Thanksgiving. I know this is a horrible time to start a weight loss journey, but we always say Monday. Okay. I have been saying Monday for the last month. Tomorrow is the day. Okay. Wake up in the morning. I'm going to mix my baking soda and my lemon juice concoction together. After that, I'm going to make my green smoothie. I am going to drink my green smoothie at 10 a.m. Yes, even while I am doing the green smoothie cleanse, I always intermittent fast. That's just naturally what I do. I'm going to have my green smoothies. The snacks I will be eating is tuna, apples. I can have natural peanut butter, which means you can't have any added sugars or anything like that. That is what I am going to be doing. My goal before the first of the year is to get back to 199. By any means freaking necessary, okay? When I put my mind to something, family, I mean really put my mind to something, I can get it done, okay? I can get it done. I am tired of making excuses. If you want to be my accountability partner, I am going to be posting more in my weight loss group. I have a weight loss group over there on Facebook as well. Has over 30,000 members. The encouragement and motivation is absolutely phenomenal. I cannot tell you guys how thankful I was for that group when I was really hardcore into my weight loss journey. Really, really hardcore. Those women over there are some straight beasts. And we do have some men in the group that are really, 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 really doing the dang gone thing. So don't make me, I don't want to make it seem like it's only women over there. Now, I will say 95% of the people over there are women. However, there are men over there who post and they are killing it, okay? So if you are on a weight loss journey, if you want to get to a certain point before the first of the year, come over there. I'll put the link to the weight loss group in the description box down below as well. I know I'm not the only person, family. I know it's going to be some people out there like, girl, I'm tired of you, okay? I'm tired of you getting on here talking about you're going to be losing weight and things. You come back over here with your big old face. I get it, okay? I know people are going to talk about me. They talked about Jesus, okay? But I don't care what you say. I am going to do what I need to do to get back to a healthy weight. And like I said, I don't have a goal weight. People always ask me that, what is your goal weight? I don't have a goal weight. I just know when I get to a point where I feel good. Because I've always been a chunky chick. Always in my life. I don't remember a time in my life that I've been thin. So I don't necessarily see myself being petite. I'm always going to be a plus size chick. Always. I don't care how much weight that I lose. I'm probably always going to be a plus size chick. I just want to get to a point where I feel good. I can look at myself in the mirror and I'm content with what I see looking back at me, and I'm going to get there. Okay? Because I did it before, and guess what? I can do it again. So if you want to be my accountability partner, come over and join me in the weight loss group over there on Facebook. The link will be in the description box down below. Baking soda and lemon juice concoction first thing in the morning, y'all. This is gonna be epic, okay? And I'm too shy. I'm gonna be honest, okay? Can I be honest? Y'all know when I gotta get close when I'm being honest. Can I be honest? I'm probably gonna be a little bit shy once I haven't weighed myself in a minute, okay? I already know that it's probably ridiculous, okay? So I'm a little bit shamed. I guess like I said, I'm probably going to be a little bit ashamed to even tell y'all how much I weigh right now. Because I remember where I was, family. I was under 200 pounds at one particular point, okay? I was under 200 pounds doing amazing exercising every single day, lifting weights, doing cardio. I was doing the dang on thing. Go back to some of my previous weight loss videos, okay? So I will be the first person to tell you when I done fell off the wagon. But I'm hopping back on this mug. But I might not tell y'all what my starting weight was, but what I will say is how much I have lost. And I'll let y'all know when I get back to the 199 mark. Can we do that, okay? Can y'all accept that from your girl? Can y'all please accept that from me? Because I know some people out there, they not really comfortable revealing they weighted things too, you know? One of my insecurities. But I can tell you guys how much I have lost without giving you an exact number of what my weight is. That's a deal. Meet me in the weight loss group. If you're looking for a work at home job, join me in the Facebook group or follow the blog. All of those links will be in the description box down below. I'll see y'all later. Baking soda, lemon juice. We about to be some really, really good friends. Peace.